Back again with the extension of the Bankstown tape development. So last time we were here, spoke about how they're starting to build a fence around inside the Bankstown tape car park. This is the development of the Bankstown Hospital. I was kind of expecting it to be a little bit better than what it is. They just put plank boards up on the side, not quite yet completed. We'll go up side of Chapel Street, currently on the corner of French Avenue and Temple Road. We'll go all the way out to see how far it goes across the road, how far it goes up from the road. Some of the fence is done. Kind of looks weird, constrictive now. So who knows when they're going to start demolishing the rest of the Bankstown Hospital and start digging up the car park. Okay, there's a sign that says that this avenue, Raw Avenue, Bankstown, will be closing soon as well. So let's go down here and have a bit better of a look. See exactly when it will be closing. What the hell? Idiot! There's always a truck that comes out of there fast. You can see that Toyota Hilux has famous brakes on it, and I'm not going fast, but still a bit of room left on the tape here to put some more signage up, but currently signed off, so who knows. Maybe they'll eventually extend the wooden boards all the way up here as well. So, the last time I read an article about the new Bankstown Hospital, they reckon it's going to take 4 years development. Who knows? There we go, almost at the end of the Bankstown tape. Signage is still there, new Bankstown Hospital, now under construction. Well, it's not actually under construction. The new Monterey School just on the right, ready to open. The current one is actually inside Bankstown Sideline, hillside line. Hello, how are you? Good. So that's another thing about Bankstown, the little side gone. I don't know if anyone of my followers, people who watch these videos attend there, but it always smells like diarrhea, to be honest. Half the shops are closed, especially on level 1 where they've got the entertainment precinct. But again, alright, thank you for watching. Please like and give me a subscribe, it would be helpful. Thank you, take care.